Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is a book I made. There's no tutorial, there's no videos or anything for it. I just decided to make it. I used the Vectoria Designs kit, Vintage Secret Garden. I believe that's what it's called. Secret Vintage Garden? Vintage Secret Garden. Something like that. Anyway, so this is the cover. I added the lace, and I attached the letter and the words. It's tied shut with a ribbon. When you open it up, when the first thing on the inside is an envelope, and when you open the envelope, it's got some cards inside. And then I added the picture of the lady. Now, a lot of the Vectoria design kits come with elaborately designed pages, so there's not a whole lot to do with them. So I made this a writing journal, plus I added some additional cards and things to the journal. So I added this pocket. I made it, and I added the word notes, and I put these two cards in here. And this is a writing page, and I put inspiration so that you could be inspired to write something. I added this side pocket with the postcards inside. This is a top of a telegram, and then I added the paper behind it and the little note card thing. And here's a place to write down your projects. And I added this charm and this tab on here. And there's a pocket with this beautiful lady inside, and a little writing card with lines on it, and a place to journal. This is the center spread. I always have a spread in the center of each of my signatures that I don't do anything to. It's just something that's pretty. And then here is a side pocket, and in the side pocket I've made a writing card. The writing card has a stencil that I made from a doily on it, and I made the doily too. And then on this page there's a envelope, and these are some tickets that came with the kit. And here's a pocket with a couple more little tickets, and I added this to the page to add a little bit of dimension. You still have your writing area, and some more writing area for you, and just some picture pages. I left a place between the signatures to put a pen loop. I just haven't decided exactly how I'm going to add the pen loop in, but there's the pen to represent where it's going to be. And of course I added another picture here, and then here's a postcard and some writing space behind inside of a pocket that I made. And this is a deeper pocket that you can put things in. It's not just a flat pocket. And then more writing space. And I added this picture at the bottom. I have no idea why her face is burned out, but I'm thinking it's because whoever's journal this is was in love with this man, and this is the person that he went to instead. This is my thought. And oops, I added this pocket here with this writing card in it, and more writing space. Like I said, there's a lot of writing space in the journal. This is the center of the signature, and I added this to the page. And I made another stencil with a different one of those doily, and I make them on my brother's Scan and Cut. And then I made this pocket as well. writing space with lines. And I added the two gentlemen in because this is the gentleman that was in the other picture. And this is the gentleman that she ended up with. That's why he's on top. That's my story. And I'm sticking to it. And then here's a pocket with a little calendar in it. I don't know why, but all the calendars included here for the month of April. Then the last page in the back and a matching envelope to the one in the front, held on with the tickets, and it matches, and it's got some writing cards inside. And then here's the ribbon for the back. And then I added some more lace to the back. I was going to add some lace to some of the pictures, you know, in the middle, but I only had that much of that lace, and so that's it. So that's it for my flip through. I hope you'll like it. There's a lot of journaling space in it, and so I would definitely call this one a journal. I used a 3-hole pamphlet stitch when I stitched it in. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.